Hi there, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I'm putting something online a little bit different to what we normally do. Real good value for money. This is the Mercedes-Benz long wheelbase Vito van, but it's a fridge conversion. It's been like that from new. It's done for a famous company, very well known. Now the condition is absolutely amazing. The bodywork's exceptional, and that's because we didn't like their company colours, so we've had it changed to white. So the vehicle is a brand new van. It's done a genuine 16,000 miles, which is reflected in the interior condition. That's fantastic. So to test the fridge, earlier today we set it going to reach a nice temperature, and of course we had to put something in that we needed to be cold. So I put a beer in it. I'm just going to test it now to make sure it's nice and cold. Oh shit, oh that was lovely, you'd like that. So I volunteered to take that test just to let you know that the beer's nice and cold. You've got parking sensors on the front, you've got parking sensors on the rear, you've also got a tow bar. That is such a clean vehicle for the year with a lot of working life ahead of it. And there you go, like I said, 16,000 miles on the clock. Thank you very much for watching.